Hello everyone and welcome back to Online Arabic Course. Today we are going to learn about how to say or how to translate was able to and were able to in Arabic language. So let's get started. Today's lesson will be totally based on the previous lesson in which we have learned about am, is, are plus able to in Arabic language. If you haven't watched that video, watch it first because it will help you more to understand the lesson. The link in the description as well as the top right hand corner. Let's know now how to translate was able to and were able to in sentences. As you know, both of them are in the sense of past. That's why we will also use the past tense in translation. And for that we'll use only three verbs today. Tamakkana, istata'a and qadara. All they mean to be able to. But the verb's form will be changed depending on the pronouns. Like he was able to. Tamakkana. She was able to. Tamakkanat. I was able to. Tamakkantu. You were able to. Tamakkanta or tamakkanti. And likewise other verbs. Let me give you some more examples so that you can understand well. I was able to succeed because of her advice. I was able to means tamakkantu min. I was able to means tamakkantu min. To succeed means an-najah. Tamakkantu min an-najahi. I was able to succeed. Tamakkantu min an-najahi. I added min before an-najah because min is a preposition and it's always used with tamakkana. That's why tamakkantu min an-najahi because of her advice. Because of means bisabab. Bisabab. Her advice means nasihatuha. Because of her advice, bisababi nasihatiha. So the full sentence is, I was able to succeed because of her advice. Tamakkantu min an-najahi bisababi nasihatiha. Hardly she was able to reach home that night. Hardly means bilkad. Hardly bilkad. She was able to means qadarat ala. Qadarat ala. To reach al-usul ila. Home al-manzil. To reach home الأصول إلى المنزل. بالكاد قدرت على الأصول إلى المنزل. That night في تلك الليلة. بالكاد قدرت على الأصول إلى المنزل في تلك الليلة. Hardly she was able to reach home that night. بالكاد قدرت على الأصول إلى المنزل في تلك الليلة. Somehow the boys were able to overcome the difficulties. Somehow means بطريقة ما. بطريقة ما. بطريقة ما. The boys الأولاد were able to استطاع. The boys were able to استطاع الأولاد to overcome. To overcome means التغلب على difficulties الصعوبات. To overcome the difficulties التغلب على الصعوبات. Somehow the boys were able to overcome the difficulties. بطريقة ما استطاع الأولاد التغلب على الصعوبات. And now the exercise time. I'll give you some sentences to translate and to leave in the comment box. Number 1. استطعت النجاح. Number 2. تمكنت من التغلب على الصعوبات. And finally, if you really want to learn Arabic language, must follow us on different platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. You will find there also some new things related Arabic language. Links in description. And like the video and share, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and tap the bell icon. I'll be back with a new video. Till then, take care. Bye.